Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Glow Easy Lock 25-inch quick collapsible beauty dish with a silver inside and the Bowens mount adapter. I ordered this not too long ago from DHL and I'm so happy that I got this in. If you want to purchase this, I have a link down in my description. You can check it out. Basically a list of all the gear I use. You can check them out, and then if you want to make any purchase, you can use the links down below to do that. Unfortunately, when these items get to Ghana, customs tends to open it, and looking at how the box looks like, it looks like it's been through a lot, you know. But I'm just gonna quickly try and open up the tapes. Right there. Do the same thing right there. And I'm going to bring it out of the box. Put this to the side. Everything looks like it's in the bag. So I'm going to try and open this. Actually, just rip it. I really like how small this is. This is a beauty dish, and the one I used to use before this was the metallic one, and then I changed to my 28-inch deep parabolic for beauty shoots. So I'm going to open the zipper, and then we're going to bring everything that's inside right out of the bag. Okay, so the very first thing is the grid. And this is really amazing. The fact that I got this entire kit for like $69, and yet they were able to add the grid. You can see it. And my more expensive Fotodiox deep parabolic doesn't come with a grid. You have to purchase that separately, which is a shame. Okay, let me just bring everything out of the bag. And then we can look at it. So currently the bag is empty. I don't know if you can see it deep inside the bag, but yeah, it's empty. So I'm going to put this to the side. And I think this comes with like setup manuals, but you know, we've been using this for a long time. I don't think we need this at the moment. So I'm going to put it off to the side. Okay, so let me open the smaller things first. And this is the grid that comes with it. And it packs down really nicely. I really love it. And I'm gonna let you know why I think I like the grid. So my deep parabolics usually tend to focus the light because it's like a bit narrow. Most of the lights that is coming out is already controlled, and so it's very dramatic. And the reason why I decided to get this modifier was because it has a shape which is closer to like an umbrella, so I know it's going to be wider. It's not going to be as deep as the parabolics. So this is the dish that it comes with, if one is going to focus. Yeah, so that's a dish. Pretty nice and shiny. Feels nice, and I know it's reversible, so you can fix it this way or you can fix it that way, but you know, however I choose to fix it, it's fine. And these are the baffles. So actually, let me clear the table. So we have the inner baffle. It's going to help with the dispersion on the light and make it a little bit softer. Okay, so now this is the outer baffle, and it velcros to the outside of the beauty dish. Let's get to the main product, which is the beauty dish itself. So I'm going to open it. And there we have it. So I've been able to mount it really quickly. And this is how it looks. So you can see it's not really like the distance from here all the way there is not as deep as my deep parabolics. And if I want to put a dish in there, let me quickly do that for you guys to see. So I'm gonna open that up and slide a dish in. force it all the way down. So I'm pushing this in for it to sit, and that's quite easy. And that's it. Once it sits, it's really, really tight. I don't think it's gonna pull out. And the material, like the whole thing feels really light, but it's still sturdy. Like, I don't think it's really going to fall apart anytime soon. I really, really like it. The branding also really is a bit much for me. I have this big text on this side, and when I go all the way to the other side, there is the logo as well. Well, I think if they had just left this, or probably just added the other text here, it would have been fine. I don't know why they had to place the text on two different sides. I mean, it's like I'm advertising for Glow or anything. Quickly going to fix the baffles, the inner one and the outer one, and I'm going to show you how that's going to look. So this is it with the inner baffle in there. It looks really nice. Alright, so I'm gonna put the outer baffle in there. So we have the Easy Lock fully mounted. This is how it looks. And it's really light. I really, really like it. If I want to have access, probably to open or close, I can now just put my hand in there and press the button, and then it just pops, and then it's closed. If I want to fix it, I don't need to open all these things and then now try and figure out a way to mount it. I can just, like with a zipper open, I can just put my hand back in there. So once I get it aligned, I just need to push, and then it's fixed. And that's it. Close the zipper, and we're done. I have my Godox 8600. And I'm just gonna turn that and basically align that, and now we're good to go. So we have the Godox mounted right here. You can see this is quite a beautiful setup. It's really small, it's quite light. It's just about the same size as my deep parabolic. I was just checking right here, and yeah, that's the setup. So when I'm done shooting and I want to pack everything down, just press that, bring it out. Oh, one more thing, I forgot about the grid. So let me quickly turn it and attach the grid really quickly. Alright, so with the grid fully mounted, this is how it looks. So you can see it's gonna cut out some of the light. This is the complete look of it, and I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. And mind you, I'm not being sponsored by Adorama. This I bought with my own money, and I'm doing a review because I've been using the Fotodiox for a very long time, and I love them. But like I said, what I have, both modifiers I have from Fotodiox are all deep parabolics, and I wanted to get something a little bit wider so I can get a little bit more of a wider spread of light. But I like the fact that if I don't want the light to spread that much, or if I want to focus it, I have the grids that I can attach anytime. And for the price point and looking at what I'm getting, it feels really, really good. The metal at the back on which the strobe mounts feels really solid. The material it feels really light, and it's making the whole modifier really light. I don't know if it's gonna last, but I think I really, really love this entire setup. So when I'm done, I can decide to leave the grid on, but let me just take it off. Open the zipper, pack it down. So like I said, I'm gonna leave everything inside. So I'm gonna pack it down like so. And they even have this band which is permanently attached to the softbox. So I can just wrap it down just to make it nice and small. Just to make it nice and small. And everything goes back into the bag. Strap it. And then move on to my next set. So this is a really small set. I can't wait to test it out, do some shoots with it, and let you know if it's something I'm gonna keep in my bag, in my kit, if it's something that's gonna be a part of my entire setup now. Probably use it for some beauty shoots and show you the images in another video. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me using it, testing it out, and then letting you guys know what I think about it. But again, this is the size of the entire kit. It's really portable, really handy. I really love what they've done. All the things you're getting the egg crate or the grate, you're getting the modifier, the bag, you're getting the dish, the deflected dish in there to make a beauty dish. And the build quality really looks good. A 2-year warranty, like I mentioned earlier. And this is a really nice piece. I got it for $69, but shipping to Ghana, shipping and all that, you know, added up to the cost. But yeah, if you want to make a purchase, I'm gonna have the link down in my description. If you definitely want to get it, just use the link down below. Click on whichever one you want, make a purchase, and enjoy using the products. Basically, the list below is the gear that I'm currently using, or gear that I've had an experience with and pretty much like, that I'm gonna put in my gear list down below. So anything there is something I love, something I've used before, I continue to use, and it's something I would recommend to you. So definitely, if you want to make a purchase, just do that with the link below. And yeah, let me know what you think about the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you own a glow modifier. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.